I'll be fixing everything, and because there is always something to be fixed, this part here, and just pull hard. Now, if you pull very hard on the wrong place, it will not pull paddle, it's in the correct one. So, I'll just pull. There we go. Now, unfortunately, the quality of the Chinese one is not as good as this one. Okay. Now, here you can see a little retaining clip. Can you see it? Right there. Need to take it out now. I have prepared myself with some universal pliers. Can you see? I think you can see. Could just open up a little bit the plastic. Yeah. And now we will just pull. We'll just pull up. There we go, just like that. Yeah? Good. All the way, like that. Make sure it's nice and straight. Is it? Yes. Does it go to reverse? Yes, it does. Now, the retaining clip. It's on my side, so just squeeze it on my side. Yeah. Does it move? Does it feel solid? Yeah, make sure that your one does not move, because it is possible to move. Now let's see. Play it into here, and then there is two clips. If your one, yeah, unclips, because it's possible, you just glue it into place like my one. You can see it's not the best fit, and it sits a little bit proud, and I don't like it. Oh, look how bad it sits. We're only years. There we go. Yeah. Good. But you need to know that. See? Not that it matters that much, but you need to know. Okay,